Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are playing, oh god, Resident Evil 4, the chainsaw demo. Now, I'm a bit nervous because I don't know what to expect, so it could be like some crazy shit or it could be just like Resident Evil 4, the original one, toned down, but I honestly don't know. We can get into it though. Oh god, okay. So first off, I could play this on a mouse and keyboard, but fuck no. So I'm going to not do that because I have my, my trusty controller all right here. So we're gonna have to do that. Okay. Nice. Okay. And also I have my babe here with me too because she was here whenever we played the
It's a day I'll never forget.
Resident Evil Village demo. And I'm gonna be quiet so we can watch this.
The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything.
What the hell, Krauser? Oh my god.
Just forget what happened that night.
I like how they at least showed him right there instead of how they did it on. Oh look, Resident Evil 2.
Second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Okay, okay. I dig it.
I hate that baby.
What BB? All the damn smoke screen, yeah. It's been secret since Leon's Kennedy's father recognized the incident, and President Biological Disaster recalls by the Umbrella Corporation, having distinguished himself as a U.S. agent. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he has to look into the president's daughter and the search of the airports in the district, last Saturday, even though Leon's past trial. Alright, cool. If y'all want to read that shit, pause that shit and read it.
I would have barely been like on the second paragraph.
No, I'm trying to get through. Oh my lord. Look at this. Look at Leon, look. He don't even look like Leon from part 2. He looks more like, more mature. There goes that signature leather jacket. Okay. So let's see. We can't do nothing yet. Can't aim. What about the knife? Oh, okay. That's how you run. You got it. Okay. Look around. Nope. This looks crazy. I can't wait for this to come out. If I'm not mistaken, it comes out on the 28th of this month. So I am ready. This looks crazy. Obviously can't go through here. What the fuck was that? I thought I heard somebody running. I feel like I'm looking around at everything so much that I might miss something. This looks good. Okay. Oh, so I can hold down the stick to run.
How far can
Or I
you
can
gone?
push R1 to run. Okay. It sucks that this is just a demo. I don't know how long it's gonna be. Okay. Watch, this should be like Resident Evil Village where like there's like shit like you see and then you just okay. And then it just runs away like when Ethan first gets there. Wow. Okay. This looks incredible, like crazy good. This looks incredible. Like this looks so good. I can't. Yeah, I can't stop saying that enough.
The flies.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm about to go everywhere because I'm not gonna miss nothing. I can't even, like I said, no gun. I can't pull out my knife.
He wouldn't be him if he doesn't loot.
Huh?
I said he wouldn't be him if he didn't loot.
Yeah, I don't even think I can loot right now. There's nothing for me to even pick up. I can't even pull out my gun or nothing. I'm not gonna lie. I know we have until the 28th till the new one comes out, but I might stream the old one if I'm being honest with you.
Can you go in? Oh, you
Yeah.
can.
I don't like that camera angle. That shit. That shit looked a little, you know.
Anyone home?
You say that shit all loud? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, no shit.
Oh.
Judgment is nigh. Eesh. Nothing? Damn, no bullets, no health, no nothing? No, just take it easy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit nervous. I don't know what to expect. Loot. Nada?
What does it say?
You tell me?
Hasta el fin viviremos contigo.
This one? I can't read what it says.
Algo consumir en la llama a los que nos ofenden? I don't know.
No key, of course. I'm not gonna sit here and read all this shit.
It says it in Spanish though.
Yeah, I know. That's what I like about the game. I was like, what? That's some Latin representation. I dig it. Oh, I can't move the camera. Ugh.
Oh God.
Sorry to barge in like this.
He's
He,
praying
I hope
something.
he busts out with that. ¿Qué carajos estás haciendo aquí? Lárgate, cabrón.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Leon, I see you. Y solo hoy pendejo. Estoy buscando a alguien. Voltéate cuando te estoy hablando, güey.
Oh my God.
It's the officer's badge. It's not even asking me to do a quick time. Oh,
He killed him.
he did. Damn.
He was possessed.
There you go, Leon. He said, fuck all that shit. See, that's the shitty part about being a cop. Like, now you have to go towards the screaming instead of running away from it.
Nice, you got a key.
Yeah. Because I'm not going to lie to you. If I would have heard some screaming, I'd have been like, I'm out this shit.
Oh my God.
Seriously.
Stinks.
That shit looks nasty. That shit growing hair. Look.
That's gross.
I just don't want to miss any bullets or anything.
Ugh.
Ew.
Is that a monkey?
A gopher. Really a monkey?
It looked like a monkey.
You look like a monkey.
You look like a monkey.
Alright. Alright, now I'm scared because it's letting me point the gun now.
Uh-oh.
Alright. I don't know what that has to do with this, but alright. Alright. I don't really want to go down there.
You got to.
No. No.
It's the whole point of the game, baby.
Duh.
That's the guy that was screaming. I'm guessing.
I don't think that's even a guy.
Oh, it's not.
Ew. Jesus Christ.
Holy cow.
Ew.
Jokes nuts.
Looks like a pig or something. Oh, man.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh, shit. His throat.
He says he needs help.
What's your situation?
Not good. I want to keep that radio though.
For real. Try to grab it if you can.
Nah, it would have kept it. Oh, maybe. No, escape from the hunter's lodge. Yeah, now it's telling me.
Now you need to escape.
Yep.
Get out of there, babe.
And I'm guessing something's gonna happen because it's telling me to ready my weapon.
Yeah. Shoot with R2.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay.
Damn.
Okay, there goes my knife.
Okay.
Woo woo.
No fucking way.
Nope. Get that shit out of here, man.
This just keeps getting worse.
Okay. Then they could at least give me some bullets.
It's the guy that you killed. You broke his neck.
Yeah. Shit. This looks crazy creepy. Like, just the atmosphere looks really good. Oh. I heard something. Oh, there it goes.
Did they not see you?
I don't think so. We have to sneak to this bitch quietly. I don't even know how many there are. If there is more.
Sounds like 2 of them or 2 to 3.
Yeah. He knows I'm here. And he's looking for me.
Answer me.
Is this a way out? No. Fuck.
You can run, but you can't hide.
Yeah. I'm not translating for you guys. Learn some Spanish.
Well, I am. You went to the basement, babe.
No, wait. There's somebody else in here. That sound came from right here.
No, I didn't. He's coming back.
No. It sounds like somebody's in here. And I don't want to go that way too much because then what if he comes around the corner the same time I am? Oh shit. Is he blind?
He's dead.
Yeah, see?
Careful.
He had to have been in there. Yeah, I see someone moving.
He's coming out, babe.
Yeah.
He moved the door.
Too bad I got the blick on me. There you are, buddy.
Are they blind?
I don't know. I don't know if y'all saw it. I was getting that boy's back meat. Yeah. No bullets, no nothing? Damn, y'all greedy.
That's what he sounded like.
He did. Oh. Thanks.
Plant.
It's for health.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just take it easy here, okay? I don't think I've been this way. Okay.
He scared the crap out of me.
That was intense. Ashley.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sick?
Hunnigan, oh my god.
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was.
We're gonna
correct
see
then.
all the old
Well
faces.
done.
Need a location on a nearby lake.
I wonder how old RE4 is. It
Copy
had to
that.
come out at least like
I'll see what I
2004,
can
2005 around there.
Hurry up.
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are...
No.
Gotta go. Talk later.
Oh shit. There we go. I don't have enough bullets for all these people.
Let myself out.
Whoa. That drop didn't look too far.
It did it. The second floor.
Yeah. Oh shit, here they come.
What the hell?
That shit look weird. They're all like bloodshot and his eyes and everything. He look nasty. Oh, there ain't no way for them to come out unless they jump down.
Head for the lake.
Don't tell me what to do, video game. Well, at least I didn't get hit, and I still got my 1 health thing, and I don't even know how I'm... Check my inventory. Nope. Oh my god, I even have a full health spray.
Nice.
Cool, cool. Alright, let's just take this slow, because I don't have that much ammo left. I'm glad to see that the controls aren't too crazy, because I know when they remade part 2, I was like, ugh. Like, I wasn't used to that movement. I was so used to, like, the old school movement of playing Resident Evil 2. But this was really good. Like, they don't feel tanky or, like, unreasonable. Now, the only thing I need to get used to is the running, because I want to shoot this Raven, because I know on 4, the original one, they drop loot, but I don't want to kill this guy and waste a bullet. If they don't drop loot.
Okay.
Well, let's
So
see.
it says Resident Evil 4 is an...
He dropped loot.
It says Resident Evil 4 is an upcoming survival horror game developed and published by Capcom. It is a remake of the 2005
It is 2005. Oh, I'm good.
game Resident Evil 4, scheduled for release on PS4, PS5, Windows, and Xbox Series X and S on March 24th.
Oh my god, it's the 24th, not even the 28th. My bad.
The 24th. You were 4 days off.
That's not too bad, I guess.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, if I'm not mistaken, I saw somewhere it was supposed to come out on the 28th, so I must have said 28th.
Yeah. And it's the 24th.
Oh,
when
yes,
it
more
comes out.
bullets. Yes, sir. Okay, there's nothing else around here. If I see a crow, another crow, I'm shooting that shit, though, because it dropped money.
Do you have your personal investigator here?
Now I just don't know if I'm going to get it on console or on a PC, because, I mean, if it's on PC, it ain't going to be that bad. I'm playing right now on a PC, so. Up and no save, of course, because it's a demo. Bullets.
Gunpowder.
Nice. Okay. Oh, I hear somebody.
Wouldn't be you if you didn't loot.
True. That shit looks crazy.
It does.
Oh. Somebody somewhere. I'm behind something and don't let him escape. To shoot him. If I shoot one, the other one's gonna fly away. So let's see if I get something.
You did get something.
Yeah.
Wolf.
Oh no, they killed the wolf. No. In case you're all unaware, you know what? I'm gonna just have to stream the first one. But anyways, on the first game, there's a wolf that you can shoot him. Yeah, no, I'm looking around. I hear a noise. You can shoot him and he'll just die or whatever. But if you take out his leg from the bear trap, he'll help you out later on in the game. So it sucks that they just removed him altogether by killing him.
There's something in that drawer.
I know. I'm just trying to make sure there's nobody right here because it looked. I heard something. Oh yes.
Nice ammo.
I'm gonna need that. Can I not go this way? Oh, I guess I could. Somebody was here. I heard a huh? He said, huh?
Oh, crouch.
Yeah, I'm trying to see where they're at though. I'll bust the cat from. Oh, I can't even crouch and shoot? That's bullshit. If I need to, I'm gonna run back under that thing. That way I can make them chase me. I feel like I hear somebody walking. I don't see anybody. They might be way up there.
Yeah.
I don't need money. I
You got
need bullets.
pesetas.
That's all that.
It's not even quarters, it's pesetas.
Nice. Also, in the first game right here, it would no, they're like right here, but I don't see anybody.
Close. Oh my god, behind you?
No. Oh, here we go.
There you go.
Oh man, there's two of them too. Yes, he bumped into him. Nice. No, no, no. Oh!
Nice.
Oh!
Good shit, baby.
Oh no, what's happening? Oh my god, you can quick kill in this game?
Yeah, looks like
Oh, that's fantastic.
ammo in.
So, one of the things that I was told about the demo is that you can quick parry if you push the right trigger, so I was like, let's just try it. I mean, I didn't want to parry him running at me with that damn pitchfork, I'll tell you that shit, but... Oh, that parry was so clean. Oh my god. Okay, I love this game so far. I was already sold on it just because it's Resident Evil, but now I want it even more. By the way, just an FYI, if I can get this game, I'm streaming it all night. I'm literally gonna play until like I'm done with the game.
When's the 24th?
24th, I'll be ready.
Oh, the 24th's on a Friday.
Well, that's even better.
Nice.
Okay. Son of a bitch. And it's so funny because there is bear traps on the first game too, but I wasn't thinking about it. Okay, now we know to watch the fuck out. All it takes is 10 bullets. There's somebody in here. If it's like the first game, there's somebody in here. Yep, called it. Can I slash you before you even come out here? You look like you're waiting for me.
He
Jesus.
was waiting
I
for you.
parried it. Parry King, call me it now before somebody else does.
Very keen.
Oh my god, that was nerve-wracking. I thought he hit me at first.
Just a small parry.
Well, I thought he hit me at first, but I noticed that like I parried it. I just didn't see it.
Nice.
Yeah, because I didn't get hit. Oh my god. What do you mean
can
change
change your
weapon?
weapon.
To what?
To your knife.
Oh no. Look, my knife has a health bar.
I see that.
Oh, that's not good. That means eventually I'm guessing it's just gonna break.
Yeah.
I need another knife. I mean, it's cool that they put this in the game, I guess.
You're knocking all over the buckets.
And I guess it's good that it lasts now because I know in the original Resident Evil, once you stab someone in the neck, like as a defensive item, it's just gone forever.
Really?
Yeah. So I guess it's good that it at least has a health bar. I thought that was a bear trap.
I know, me too. I was about to tell you.
Shit, we're already at the village. So all you old school Resident Evil fans know what happens next. Oh, the cool part about...
Rocks. It was rocks that fell. Oh, that wasn't rocks.
That was
What
a
the
head.
hell was that?
I didn't even think to look up.
Oh my god.
Shit.
Alrighty then. Do the heads close the doors now?
I don't think so. Fuck.
Careful the bear traps too, baby.
Oh no. Okay, let's just get into it. Let's just dive in. I already know what's gonna happen.
Chicken. There's 1, 2, 3 people. 4.
Oh, there goes the policeman. Oh no.
There's 4 people. It's 1, 2,
Chickens?
3. Yeah. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 in the back. So there's 4 people that I see.
Oh god.
What the hell's that?
Alright folks, we're gonna have to... Oh, we have that side spot just like the first one. Let's do it. I just don't want to get seen by anybody because I know once I let off a shot, it's a done deal. I'm a bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna try to sneak my way in here because there's a worker right there. I'm just trying to grab this thing right here. Oh, she almost saw me. No te voy a decir. Okay, I'm gonna have to run my way up that way.
What the hell's that?
Oh, it's a piggyback your way up whenever you come back to the village with Ashley. Who? I know you guys might find this boring, but I'm just trying to loot up if there's other stuff here where... If it's like the first game, there is. I wonder if you can stealth kill.
She knows you're there though.
Yeah. There's other people around. I wonder if I can stealth kill this lady. Hey, this guy's gonna see me, the one with the bucket. Watch. Oh, maybe not.
Careful, babe.
I wonder if I can stealth kill this lady. That'd be so sick. Yo, I love it. I'm not gonna lie to you. Y'all finna make me stealth kill everybody in this game.
There's somebody in there.
Oh god, I hope not. I just also don't want nobody... Oh, I don't know what resources are. There's not even a way. Oh yeah, there is. I was like, there's not even a way to look outside. No, they're all over there. That was awesome, dude. This stealth kill is so beautiful. Whoever thought about hiding into this game, please, Capcom, give them a raise. Like a huge raise. There should be another guy over here working.
What is the cow?
Don't worry, that's my friend. Look. Hello. Oh,
Oh, okay.
there's a guy right there, but he, see? He's
Yeah,
looking
I see
around.
him.
Yes, keep praying. Don't worry about me. Dude, I love this. Oh, looks like there's a future way to get in there. Oh.
He saw you.
No, the music would have changed.
He said, "Sé que estás ahí."
I know, but the music would have changed, like in the actual game.
Oh.
See? I think the only next person I'll be able to get before they notice me was the guy right here with the hat. Because once I get him, that's it.
What the hell?
The cow heard me. He's like, what the fuck was that?
No. There's a piece
Oh.
of cardboard vibrating, or the.
I was probably
little
just
piece-
glitched out.
Yeah, it was glitched out.
I'm gonna have to sneak my way back that way. I know this is slow paced, but I mean, I'm trying to enjoy the game, take my time. If I just get right to the point of like what's supposed to happen, you know, all the story's gonna start kick in and stuff like that. If I kill this chicken, he'll probably drop an egg, but I don't know if he'll run away from me right now. If he does, I'm fucked. Stop it. That guy right there. Nah, he's too close.
Behind you, baby.
Nah,
Careful behind you. He's trying to get you.
no, he's finna get got.
Really weak.
You're not gonna drop an egg? That's bullshit. Where is he? He sounds like he's dropping water somewhere. If I can go that way by the time he walks that way, then I'll be able to sneak off to kill that lady that was in the back. But look at this guy with the wheelbarrow. Is he walking? Yep, there he goes. Don't pay attention to me. I'm just a chicken. I'm just your normal everyday chicken, guys. I'm just one of the dudes. Awesome. Appreciate it. I'm guessing those things are there because in case somebody's close, like say another person, if I kick that barrel over, they're going to be like, what the fuck was that? Okay, yeah, stay focused over there. Don't look at me. Don't look over here. Don't look over here. Don't look over here, lady. Shut up. I love this. I'm serious. Whoever thought of stealth killing in this game? You, my good sir. You're breathtaking. Somebody's here. I hear somebody close by. There might be somebody above me. Yeah, there's somebody in here. I heard them. Maybe not. I just need this guy to move out of the way. I want the barrel. Okay, seems like he's gone. Okay, good. I love that the door closes. To be honest, I'm hoping to find more bullets, but I don't see shit. Okay, we can go back this way because there was actually some things over here we needed to break. They're right there. I wonder if I can get this guy, but I think they might see me. Bro, stop giving me fucking what you call it. If I try to kill the guy with the bucket, it's gonna, what you call it?
You're gonna get all of them on you.
Yep. Can we sneak in through here though? I thought he heard me at first because he was like, huh? Okay, so there's nothing here. I thought it was letting me hide. I was like, whoa. Stop giving me money and give me ammo.
I just gave you the seconds.
It is. I thought he was right in my face.
I know, me too.
Oh, careful, buddy. Actually, we can make it. Hopefully. Like I said, this is kind of like boring playing like this, but like I said, I just want to get the most out of the game because
He's right there.
I'm
There's
pretty
people
sure
over
that
there.
once they see me, it's gonna go right to the cutscene like it usually does in the game. I mean, I might be wrong, but I won't know until I do it. Oh shit!
Here we go.
Oh shit! Get off of me!
Fight them off.
Oh Jesus! Hey boys, wait, get off of me! Hold on, let's talk about this. I don't know how many of you guys there are, so give me a second.
No dejes que se escape.
Oh, I'm gonna escape. What does that say? Escape. Hello. Oh god! Get off.
Right.
No. I'm going to have to. Yeah. Oh god. Okay, shit. Yep, it hit all of them.
All three of them, too.
Oh god. Oh fuck. You just punched me, you little shit?
Yeah, he did. Right in the face.
Eat that shit, man. Oh my god. It's Homeboy with the dynamite! Get away from me, old man.
Babe.
Yup, here we go. Get your ass out of here. Here we go, let's get into the shit. Here's where it really kicks off. Whew, come on, we got this, boys, we got this. Oh shit. Ah shit, here we go again.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Nope. Yep,
Oh,
let's get into it.
God.
Let's get into it.
It's my lucky day.
Oh shit, there's nothing to barricade anything with. Oh shit, I'm out of here. Oh, I'm out of here. Basically. Yes, sir.
Nice, a hand grenade. Careful, careful, careful.
Excuse me, lady. Oh my god. Ah, no.
God.
Get off. Oh god.
You're shitting me.
Ah. Oh no. Run, Leon, run.
Grabbing the pesetas while you go.
Oh god, those bullets don't do shit to him. He's right on my ass. I hear him right on me.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to equip this shit.
Equip. Oh, you probably have. Oh, it's down there. Oh, sorry.
No, I tried to parry. Oh my god. I tried to parry. Ugh. No, we're definitely trying that again. Hopefully it puts me right there to where he starts swinging all crazy. I tried to parry. I wonder if I could even parry that. I probably fucked up. Oh god, here we
You
go.
have to do it all over again?
Yeah, but this time I'm just running straight for the thing.
Straight for one thing.
Inside the door.
Oh.
I should have threw the grenade instead of over here fucking with the damn shotgun.
I think that would have been a lot easier.
Yeah, let's get into it.
Just like that, babe.
Hello. Hello. Oh god, take it easy, buddy.
Oh my god.
Let's talk about this. This is what usually happens in the first game. You just run in and they just fucking start coming. I shouldn't have wasted my time barricading that thing out there. I should have just ran upstairs. Let's do this. Ugh. Okay, come on.
It's my lucky day.
It is actually.
Oh, nice.
See the way I said picadillo.
Picadillo.
I'm not gonna lie. If there wasn't somewhere to run, I'd be like, fuck.
Shotgun baby in the face.
Okay, no.
There you go.
A la madre.
Shit, and this dude's still right here. No, you're not.
Damn.
Shit!
A la madre. I didn't even see her there.
Oh shit!
Oh god.
Excuse me, sir, please. I was afraid of this. Watch out! Get off of me.
Somebody behind you. You run so slow.
Jesus Christ. Sir, please.
A la madre.
Are you serious?
It's a fucking shotgun. You have 210.
Yep.
2 left, babe.
Keep coming.
Oh my god. Oh, his neck. Did you see that shit? Sir, please. Ugh. I felt that. Okay, fine. No, you're not.
Oh shit.
Oh shit! This shit is intense. Okay, let's see if we can do this.
You don't have enough. You need the blue thing too.
Oh yeah, I didn't pick up the whatchamacallit. Oh man.
Where's it at?
I don't know.
It's a blue one.
Oh, that's where that part was.
You're shitting me.
We can talk about this. Oh lord, I hate to just run, but I don't really have much choice.
Move, chicken.
Seriously. Shit, the chickens are like, get this motherfucker.
Why is he not fucking dying?
What the cow? No!
No, not the cow. Oh, they have the cow chasing after you.
Oh god. Bro, she didn't even do anything to you. Oh my god. Let's try.
Leave the.
As far as I can remember, you're supposed to only last a certain amount of time.
Oh shit, they're waiting for you down there.
Get that shit out of here.
Where's that guy with the chainsaw?
Oh no, I'm watching.
Knock the ladder back down.
I'm going to. Get that shit out of here.
Let's try to get out of here.
La campana. Tenemos que irnos.
Huh?
La campana. Tenemos que irnos.
La campana. Hay que obedecerla.
Hay que obedecerla.
Please say it, please. Please say it. Where's everybody going? Bingo? What?
Tenemos que servir.
Que servir.
He says, tenemos que irnos. Say it, please. Please say it, please.
Al Lord Sadler Todopoderoso.
Say it, please. Say it, please.
Did they all go in there?
Yeah.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Yes, sir. Let's go.
That's it.
That was Resident Evil 4 chainsaw demo, ladies and gentlemen.
That's it for the demo.
If I would have had more ammo, I would have loved to sit there and fight, but 5 shots from a shotgun and a couple, I mean, like, I had enough for a good amount of rounds with the handgun, but
32 minutes?
yeah,
That's not bad.
it's not.
And you got 1,650 pesetas.
Yep. What she said. Thank you for playing.
Gracias
All
por
right.
jugar.
Cool.
Available 3/24/2023.
So I am going to be getting this game. Now, this demo, I don't know how long they're going to have it, but you can download it on Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, you know, the
PC,
store, you know, things like
PS4,
the PC, Steam,
PS4,
the Windows,
PS5.
things like that. Yeah, the marketplace for PS4, Xbox, or PS5 also. And you can play it over and over. It's not going to be like Village to where you can play it once and it's like, oh, well, you're done with the demo. You can play this over and over as much as you want. I don't know when it's leaving, so I suggest you download it tonight and play it for yourself. But yeah, this looks so much better than what it used to be. I mean, obviously the original's good, but obviously for like the new stuff, this looked phenomenal. But yeah, that was incredible. I loved every second of it. I loved how it looked. It like took me back to being. It took me back to being scared. Like when I first played Resident Evil 5 as a kid, that shit. And now, if I were to play 5 or 4 now, I wouldn't be scared of it like the old one. But playing this one, that shit had my heart going. I was just trying to survive. But yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna stream again. Right now, I'm just kind of taking a break. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you want to see more, go ahead and follow, things like that. You want to see my stuff, I got my YouTube in there. I always put shorts from videos and stuff like that. I'm probably gonna clip some stuff from here and put it on there also. But yeah, I always appreciate you guys, whoever watches, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.
Peace. Bye, guys.